In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bold text on WhatsApp Web to help you emphasize your messages and make your conversations more dynamic. Whether it's for work, making plans, or just adding a pop to your chats, understanding how to format your messages can significantly enhance the way you communicate. First, let's navigate to WhatsApp Web. If you're new to this, WhatsApp Web allows you to use WhatsApp through your computer, enabling easier typing and management of conversations. To get started, open your preferred web browser and type in the WhatsApp Web URL, or simply search for WhatsApp Web. The page that opens will prompt you to connect your phone to your computer screen by scanning a QR code. Follow the instructions provided to link your devices, and in just moments you'll see all your WhatsApp conversations right there on your computer screen. Now that you're all set up on WhatsApp Web, let's dive into typing out your message. Begin by clicking on the chat where you want to send your bold message. Then click on the text input area at the bottom of the chat window. This is where you'll type your message. The beauty of WhatsApp Web is the ease with which you can type using your computer's keyboard, making composing messages a breeze. To make a word or phrase bold, you will need to use an asterisk symbol. Place an asterisk at the beginning and the end of the word or phrase you wish to make bold. For example, if you want to bold the word important in your message, you would type asterisk important asterisk. It's a simple yet effective way to add emphasis exactly where it's needed. Now, after you have typed your message with the asterisks in place, it's time to send it. Once you press enter or click the send icon, WhatsApp will automatically recognize the text wrapped in asterisks as a command to bold the text, and it will appear bolded in the chat. It's that easy. But why stop at bolding text? WhatsApp Web also supports other formatting options like italics, strike through, and monospace. Just like using an asterisk for bold, you can use underscores for italics, tildes for strike through, and 3 backticks for monospace. This variety of formatting options opens up a world of possibilities for making your messages stand out. A useful tip to remember is that these formatting tricks can be combined to make words or phrases bold and italicized at the same time. For example, typing asterisk underscore bam. Underscore asterisk will make the word bam, both bold and italicized, adding even more emphasis. In addition to sending more visually engaging messages, knowing how to format your text can also improve readability, especially when conveying complex information, setting tasks, or highlighting important dates and keywords in lengthy messages. Before wrapping up, let's address a common query. If you're trying to bold text and it's not working, make sure there are no spaces between the asterisk and the words you're trying to format. The formatting command won't be recognized if there are spaces, so asterisk this asterisk won't work, but asterisk this asterisk will. To sum up, mastering the simple art of bolding messages on WhatsApp Web can significantly elevate your messaging game, making your conversations more engaging and expressive. So the next time you're on WhatsApp Web, don't just send a message, make it bold, make it stand out, and make an impact. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Practice what you've learned and start experimenting with different formatting styles to see how they can change the dynamics of your conversations. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks on making the most of your digital communication tools. Happy messaging,